guys, it's Lisa here. It's time for another Winter Birds Junk Journal, video number 10. This is almost the last page until we do the cover. And I'm going to go in through it again here, and I'm going to like fine tune some things and add a few things that I was going to add earlier when I was doing this video. And so, anyway, let's get started. So, I'm going to put some things in that we missed or I wanted to add later. And I come across this page here. And this one here, what I decided to do was to take this little piece of a doily that I cut, and I thought about just tucking it in here. I thought that looked really kind of nice there with our beautiful bird bookmark. No, I think I'll do this bookmark. This is a little bit different than the one we did before, and I'm going to finish that off. So this here, it tucks in here, and I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and just kind of glue it just kind of on here a little bit to kind of hold it down, because I don't want to do a lot of it. I don't want to glue it to where you can't get anything in here, and I wanted to put something through the top here. So just like this, and then I think I'll take it and I will put some glue on under here to hold that part down. If I can. Just like that. Just kind of hold it down. I just thought it gave it some, I don't know, some decorativeness. I like it. And then this is going to go in here. Let me glue this down too. This little bit here that came up a little bit when I was trying to get it down. Put some glue on that. Hold that thing down. There we go. Just like that. Okay. And I'm going to take my tag, and I'm going to use this tag here, and I'm going to ink the edges real quick here. Get up. Put it in here. And I got just a few odd and end things that we're going to do, and then do that very last page. I'm going to just get a few things done here. How's everybody doing? I hope fantastic, as usual. It's been cold, really cold here. We went and picked up some things that my husband bought off of OfferUp today, and picked up some things from somebody who's selling some things that we wanted. So drove today and got those. So it's kind of been busy so far today. Okay, I'm going to punch a hole in it, and then I'm going to take some of my lace ribbon here, and I'm gonna cut off a little piece of this and put this on there. Okay, and this is I'm gonna put it through the hole, and then I'm gonna just bring it up and just bring it together. I think that looks kind of good like that. Okay, I did another one like this too in silver, and right here we're gonna put some glue to hold this part down, like that. And then I want to put some glue on the back of here. To hold that part down, and then some right in the middle here to hold the two ribbons together too. Like this. Just like that. Let that dry. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and tuck this right on in here. How I want this to be, because I think it looks really kind of cute having this like that. Okay, so I finished. Went ahead and finished that up, and this also has some paper in here also that I put in there to write on for journaling. Okay, so there's that one, and then I wanted to go in the middle. Yeah, right here. And I found these two little pictures. I'm gonna glue these right on these pockets here, and then make some tags to put in here too. So I'm going to go ahead and ink this up. And put these in And I got this from a kit off of course, Graphics Fairy, as I love their images. And this is where I pulled up these out. And they originally is supposed to be like pockets, but I cut the sides off to make them into more of a cover for these little papers here. These little, oh, they're little pockets, little tuck spots. And so I'm going to go ahead and glue these down, and I'm going to glue it in a way of just do the 4 edges so I can leave the opening on the top. So just like that, as easy as that can be, like this. And then I'm going to glue up this one. Let me get some of my little clips to hold this down, as it's just coming up a little bit. I don't like it coming up. It's going to dry a little bit better than that. Okay, and then I'm going to, oh, you already inked that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue the edges on this and put this on the other side. I just thought that these were really plain pockets, and I thought I want to put something on them so that they stand out a little bit more. Okay, some clips on here. Put these down just while that's drying. Okay, and as that's drying, I'm going to use these right here, I believe, and I'm going to cut these and ink them and use these as tags to put inside of here. So let's go ahead, and I want to do some kind of decorative scissors. Yeah, there's this one. And I'm gonna just cut the edges. Doesn't have to be perfect. I'm gonna cut the edges like that. Just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, that one. And this one. Alright. And then I'm gonna, oh, one of them is a little bit bigger than the other. Let's make these even the same. Okay, cut along the edge of this. Okay, and then I'm going to come in and cut this right here again. It was a little bit bigger than what I wanted. Okay, so, and they're not absolutely perfect, but they're going to look nice in here. Then I'm going to take this little hole punch, the one with my little groove there. Like a little, see, that does that. I like that. Looks cute. And put this on here and this one. Just like this. And then this one, same. Okay. Now I got that. Okay. And then I'm going to take this paper here. This is the music paper that I tea dyed. And I'm going to cut some paper out here to put on the backs of these so that you can do some journaling. And I'm going to just put it on, you know what I'll do. I was going to go ahead and cut this top part off like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put this on here. I'm going to trace around it with my pencil. Make sure it's nice and even. Okay, this for that one. And let's just do one at a time. Okay, put this one here. Alright, let's cut this. And what I'm thinking about doing is putting this on the back I'm making it a 2-page little text, some an area that you can do some notes, write your notes on and stuff. I'm going to cut a little bit off the edge here. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and I'm going to put it on with my double-sided sticky tape. That's on each side of this. And this on. And yeah, we've been thinking about doing our, since spring is coming, and about getting prepared for our spring. We want to get things done, our yard work done before spring starts, so that we can kind of relax and just maintain and not have to feel like we've got to rush and do it, you know. We want to do it before spring. Save some time and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and peel the tapes off of this. And then put it on the back of here. And I want it to be, in a way, kind of like a little mini flip out. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Okay, like that. And then trim this just a little bit here. Okay. Let's go ahead and take these out really quick, like that. And then just go ahead and tuck these in. And I'm gonna just think about what I'm gonna do yet. Okay, put that one in. And then this one. I do this one. Look over a little bit. Right. On my line. Cut. And put it on the back. Just like the other one. Put it on like this. Make sure the fold part is up on the top, because you want it to be stuck down, and then you want it to be able to lift up and have some journaling spots there. And okay, on this, use this again. Okay, put this on each side like I did before. Alright. What do you guys think about this this virus going around? What do you guys think of that? You guys all not getting too scared about it? You know, they want to really scare us a lot with this on the news media and everywhere. It's just a big scare. And, you know, I'm going to do everything that I know what to do to prove, you know, when you have a cold, make sure you wash your hands. You know, make sure you protect yourself. Just basic common sense. You know, there's no need for people to just get so worried about it. You know, that's what I think anyway. I think that's kind of a little bit of a hype. You went to Costco today and they were out of everything. I mean, no, they had a limit on what you could and couldn't get, and you can only buy 2 toilet papers and 2 waters and hand sanitizers. Or, you know, people were just, and every single cart you seen had all these items in it. It's people just collecting and just making sure they have the toilet paper that they need. So, okay, I'm gonna, you know, I hate to do everything with the same ribbon, but I like it. So I'm gonna just cut a couple of these. And I'm gonna just put it in the center in a different kind of way. Just, put these in each center. These, just kind of like that. I like that. It's just a simple little thing. Simple little ribbon on the top there. Put that in. Do the same thing on this one. So it's a simple little, you know. Okay. Alright. Put that on there. Put these in here. And you've got your little writing area for your tag. There it goes. Looks cute. Alright, and that's that page is done. And then I want to come, oh, and I added an envelope inside of here. And I, you know, inked it. And then I put in, you know, some little writing things in here, some paper and stuff. And I'm just going to tuck it right in there like that. That's tucked in. And then here's my bird. And I'm not sure if I'm going to put this there. I think that's for the note card, or the journaling card. And then this, of course, you know, is another journaling card. Alright, and there's some more spaces to write things. In this, I decided to put another envelope in here also, and some pretty tea-dyed paper that I put in there for that. In this pretty envelope. And put that right in here. Okay. Then we did this, and there's a tuck spot here. You know, you can put paper in here or something, you know, whatever you want. A note card or something. Okay. Then we did this, and then we did this yesterday. Did that beautiful thing. And today I'm going to do this page, and I'm going to. I got some of this really pretty paper that I crinkled. I think I showed you guys before, where I crinkled it up and tea-dyed it, crinkled it with coffee, and then let it stay crinkled up for a while, and then took it out. And I'm going to use that to put on here. And where's my... And then... Oh, here it is. And I ripped up a piece of this paper with the addresses and stuff on it. I don't know what it is, just word names and stuff. And I thought about putting that on here. Maybe I'll put it this way. This on here. And then taking my cute little birds and putting them on here. So you have like, this is a tuck spot, this is a tuck spot. And I'm going to glue that together like that. And then for my tag, I'm going to put a cute little tag in here. It's going to be this little tag. And I'm going to glue it on this. With my bird. I thought he's just so cute. And I'm going to just tuck it in here and have this like a little bird card to put in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. And what I'm going to do first, I'm going to, notice it's not even right here. Does not matter at all, because it's just going to go on here like this. Let me ink it. It's hard to ink it when it's a real flimsy paper. You know, this is very flimsy. I'll just do it like this. And I'm just going to do the top part because I'm going to cover the bottom part. So I'll do this. I'm going to go ahead and glue the edges down. Just on the three sides, because I want an opening on the top for my paper, for my my tag. I need to really clean this out a little bit. It's not coming out as good as I'd like it to come out. Just kind of, okay, so I want to just put this on here. Okay. Get these, of course, my clips, you know me. Okay, that's gonna hold on there nicely. And then this, I just tore the edges on some paper that I had. This was some of the paper. I just tore it off, and I thought I would just put it right on here. Oh, let me ink the edges, because that would really make this stand out more. That's the thing about inking the edges, is that it really makes it stand out. It gives it just a really nice look to it. Okay, see, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there, right here. Glue that on. My cute little bird. He's just so cute. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and put the glue on. Excuse me. Put this on here. Like this, like this. And now this is an opening, and this is an opening. And then this little bird, I'm going to put this little guy here. I'm going to ink him. Just a little bit ink. Just the edges. Okay. And I'm going to put him on right there. Glue him. I'm just going to totally just glue him on. Or these guys on. Excuse me. It's not them. It's these guys. These little birds. Well, we're almost finished with this junk journal, and it will be up for sale on my Etsy. And I'll be sure that when whoever gets this, that it will include where you can find the videos to watch this book being made. That's the fun part about it, you know. If you give it as a gift, and then you go, oh, and by the way, here's the YouTube channel where you can watch all the videos that were used in how this book was made. You know, people, I would love that if I had something like that and I knew that. That would be really cool. Okay, go ahead and put that on there. And then this, I'm going to put this together. And I had already pre-put this through, as you can see. I already put it on earlier. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. Glue it on. And it's just a tag with a back. It's a tag on top of another tag. That makes it really cute. Okay, just like that. Let's ink this. I know we haven't done a whole bunch of tags, made a whole bunch of tags in this video series, and I'm going to try and do more of them on another video. Hey you guys, is there any type of journal you guys would like for me to do next time? A theme of some sort? If you guys could just let me know of what you're interested in, I would love to be able to do my next book, my next junk journal, on something that maybe you guys have decided on. So if you want, if you leave a message for me, let me know what you would like to see, what kind of journal you would like to see me make, you know, for the next time. And I'm going to try to hear back. I want to hear back from as many people as I can to get an idea of what they would like to see, and then I will choose whatever ideas I think are awesome to do, and I will pick out something from my viewers' choices. So, okay. Oh, isn't that cute? That is so cute. I love that little bird. He's adorable. So here's another journaling card, and I can either put my journaling card in here, and look at it, it's a pop-up bird. It's like, oh, here's another bird. You know, here's the baby to these people, to these birds. This is their baby. Or you can put it here. I'm going to put it in here and leave it in there. So guys, okay, let's go ahead and recap what we've done. And let me see if there's anything else that I need to do. Okay, because, alright, now here, I'm going to leave these just plain. I like how they look just plain like that. And then, you know about this. This is the little journaling card here. And it just fits into there. And then this opens up for more journaling. Here's some of your pages for journaling. I've left you a lot of pages here for journaling. Now we finished this. And we have this little pop-up. Some more. Here is our beautiful little bird here. And you know what I'm going to do on this? I'm going to add something to it. I'm going to add a little piece of this on the edge. Right on the edge of here. Okay, like that. I'm going to glue that down. I'm not going to ink it or nothing. I'm just going to glue it down. I think it looks kind of cool. Kind of gives it a little bit interest. A bit more interesting to look at. Yeah, I want it to be interesting to the eye. And it kind of adds something to it. And, you know, really, I can't tell you what it adds to it, but it does. It adds something to it. It really does. I don't know what it is, but it does. So, go ahead and put that on there. Like that. Okay. And then this, oh, I was going to show you, I added these, a little bow to each of these little cards, and inked them. I put a little brad through here, through the ribbon, and just inked them. Put them in there. That looks kind of cute. Oh, no, I didn't ink them. I put them on with the brad. And then this you guys saw. Here's some more interesting little pages to just, I don't know, write on and stuff. And this is what we just did. Just really cute. Really cute. Some more little pages, doily. And this I showed you. And I put that card there. And that I showed you. This. And that. I added that to that. And this, you remember, this is a little flip out you can write on. Okay. That. Hold it with a paper flip. And then this is what we did yesterday. It's really cute. And here's some more pages, and this is the page we did today. So there you go. There you guys go. How awesome is that? Right? Okay. Let's see. This here, I'm going to add a strip of my lace here, just to kind of cover up what's going on here. I'm going to cut it a little piece off. Okay, and I'm going to just glue that down, or I'm going to put the adhesive, this is adhesive ribbon. I'm going to just adhere it to the book, like that. Then that kind of covers a little bit of the brown underneath it that I don't really want it to show. Trim it a little bit. There we go. Just like that. Simple as that. And let's see. Yeah, I want to see if I can. I'll put this on the outside of the doily for now. Anyway, tilt it a little bit like at an angle. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today. That's it for our very last page we did here. And then we're going to do the covers. I'm going to come up with an idea for the covers and an idea for the spine. And that will be lesson 11 when I do that. So, okay, guys. Well, thank you for watching. And I just appreciate everybody who's commented, who's given me a thumbs up, my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, and I hope that you guys will learn a lot from junk journaling and perhaps make your own journals. And I appreciate every one of you, each and every one of you that has either commented or let me know that how, if they like the videos and everything. So, okay, guys, if you get a chance, give me a thumbs up. And I will see you later. Bye!